In this short video, I'll show you how to send a WhatsApp message to yourself. This feature is great for saving notes, reminders, or even transferring files between your devices without using external apps. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate WhatsApp features, including self-messaging. Together, we'll explore this useful trick to make your WhatsApp experience even better. Stay with me until the end to find out how to hide WhatsApp messages and sender names from the notification bar. Now let's get started on how to send a WhatsApp message to yourself. To start, ensure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Open it and tap the new chat icon at the bottom right of your screen. At the top of your contacts list, you should see your name or phone number with the option Message Yourself. Tap it to open a chat window where you can send messages to yourself just like in any other conversation. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to send a personal message on WhatsApp. Alternatively, you can use WhatsApp Web by typing wa.me your mobile number with country code in your browser. This will open a chat window directly with you, making it possible to send WhatsApp messages to yourself. Check the description for the correct spelling. Here's another ingenious trick to do this: create a WhatsApp group and add contacts to the group. Then remove the contacts, leaving only yourself in the group. This will allow you to be the only member of the group, giving you the opportunity for private messaging. If you want to know how to hide WhatsApp messages and sender names from the notification bar, then tap to watch this video linked here. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.